actually check your feet. Okay, is that okay?
Yeah.
As I take off your shoes.
There's a little band-aid on there, but that's all.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
What is that from?
I just stepped on an earring, so covered it so it doesn't.
Oh.
It's just a little band-aid.
On the bottom. Okay. They're not too bad.
Not a big problem.
No. And I don't know. I think some people, if your heel slides in flip-flops, that's what causes some of that issue. But it really depends on how you walk. And sometimes shoes are more problematic for people than they think about. So
True.
let's see. Stretch
Yeah,
that.
I really consider it, but
Let's use your sock so I can grab. Good. Not too bad. Let's check this. Then I'm going to go ahead and check your internal external rotation. Oh, you have pretty good rotation. No issues there at all?
no, that's pretty comfortable.
Yeah, good. And no knee problems?
No, I wouldn't say any problems.
Good.
Nowhere.
Yeah.